Hello, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel training. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to use the subtotal tool to analyze our data in Excel. The subtotal tool will help us reorganize our data and calculate according to the group of items that we have. So what we have is calculation of each of the group of items, and then of course the total being placed at the bottom of each of the group of items so that we can easily analyze it further. Now let's look at how to use the subtotal tool. So here we have a sample data that we want to use. Now you can subtotal by the following item. You can use product because product is in group. You can use category because category is in group. You can use country because country is in group. So let's use the product for this. So for us to be able to use the product for our subtotal, then we need to sort by product. That's the first thing we do. So we go to the data tab on the ribbon. So we have file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data. So the data tab will now go to sort and filter. So we just use the sort ascending A to Z, and that will sort by product. Okay, so you can see that the item is grouped by product. So at the end of product, we have the beginning of banana. All right, so that's been done. So the first thing you want to do is to sort your data. So don't forget, is to sort the data. So you sort it. So I've sorted by product. Okay, that's nice. So now, then we go back to the data tab, and then to the far right side, we have outline group. So on this outline group, we are going to select the subtotal option. That's what you select. You select subtotal. And then in this subtotal dialog box, you have a list of options that you are going, the steps you have to take. The first step is to change this item to what you want to use to group. So at each change, of course, we are grouping by product because we sorted by product. Then the function to use here will be sum because we are summing the amount. And so here we will now say add total to what? We are not adding subtotal to country because we cannot sum by country. So we can sum by amount and anything that looks like values that can be used, that can be added, subtracted, and all those stuff, quantifiable. Okay. So the rest options can be left as they are, summary below, replace current answers. Okay, just click OK. So at this point, you're going to see that at the bottom of Apple, there is Apple total. So this is the subtotal. So it has been applied to all the items. So you can see at the bottom, you have subtotal placed. And you see that. So now, instead of going through everything to see them one by one, you can see at the left corner, there is an option that shows 1, 2, 3. So if you click 1, it gives you the grand total. If you click 2, it gives you the subtotal. And if you click 3 on that left side, it gives you the breakdown. So you can see that the subtotal can be used also to analyze your data and get total by each of the product categories that you have in your Excel worksheet. All right, so this is where we're going to stop on working with subtotal. See you in another session, and bye for now.